Well, good morning, everyone, team. First of all, a warm welcome to Triotech Software Trainings. So today we are here to have a demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So before starting the session for today, team, let me intimate you something which is important. See, whoever the participant joined the session today, we have kept everyone in mute. So you cannot unmute yourself during the session when it is happening, team. The reason behind that keeping everyone in mute is, team, we have mix of population attending the session today. I mean to say people from different backgrounds joined the session today, team. In that we have the people who are freshers who recently completed the colleges and they are planning to start their career in some good technology in IT. So we have the people from that background, team, who are freshers. And we have some people who having a career breaks. I mean to say after their graduation, they might have 3 to 4 years or 5 years gap in between. Now they want to learn something new and they want to start their career. This type of people also included in this demo today. And also we have people with non-IT experiences, team. Means prior to IT, you might be working in some domain experiences, team. I mean to say, like, you might be working as a recruiter, you might be working as a finance related, working in finance related, marketing related, sales, into different non-IT jobs you might be doing currently. Now you want to learn this technology and you want to start your career into IT, team. We have this type of people also attending the class today. And also we have people who are already having IT experiences, but prior to this Oracle Fusion, they might be working in other technologies. You might be into testing, you might be into some other tech applications, team. Now you are planning to switch your career to this technology. As such, this is having a huge demand in the market right now. So considering mix of participants joining today, we kept everyone in mute because I've been seeing already in the chat board, some of the people already started posting the questions about your gaps, about your fake experiences, whatever that thing. So I request everyone, please go through the session fully, team. At the end of the session, I will have one-on-one Q&A. I will speak with every one of you and then only I will close the session for today, team. So my request is only for today in the demo, every one of you, if you have any questions in due course of time, please park your questions. Please note it down, team. At the end of the session, I will address all your queries, team. Because if I start taking your personal questions with respect to your career counselings and all, the concept that what I have planned for today, I cannot complete it in the due time. And even your question might not be relevant to another participant, team. So in between, if we have this kind of engagement, team, the other peoples will get confused or carried away. So by keeping everyone interest in mind, we muted everyone. So be on mute, focus on the session for next 1 hour or 1.5 hours and enjoy the session, team, so that you will get maximum doubts cleared within this session only. Because I've been seeing the participants from different backgrounds, team. Since 2015, we are into the industry and every month I train several candidates in this technology team. And many of you been interacting with me also. I mean to say people who joined today's session. Prior to attending today, many of you already had a word with me. So when I'm speaking with the candidates or the students team, I know what type of questions that they will have in their mind before coming to me. Usually what you will be having, team, first of all, what is this technology? Next, what will be the career prospect in this technology? Down the line, next 10-15 years, Kumar, where we will be landing upon if we start our career in this domain? Do we have calls for freshers in this domain? Or I'm having a career gap. Am I eligible to learn this or not? How I can manipulate that experience? These all questions people will have, team, right? So I will be covering everything in this session only today. Once you complete this session, team, I can at least say that 70 to 80% of your questions, what you have in your mind, will get addressed. So please focus on the session, team. Maximum questions that what you are about to ask me, I'm going to cover in this session. If anything not covered at the end of the class, I will open the mic. Q&A will be there. You can ask me anything that you want a guidance from me, team. Right? So let's get into the session for today. So why we are here, team? For what we are here? Today, I'm going to explain you how to land upon a high paying job even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge and with non-IT experiences, team. We all know that today's demo is about Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. But I'm also going to introduce to you, team, how to land upon a high paying job even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge. See, team, this is very important point for every one of us because many candidates, team, out of 10, 6 to 7 candidates, whenever I'm discussing with their career counselings and all, the one common problem or the fear, I can say, or a confusion in mind, Kumar, we don't know any coding knowledge. We are not from a technical background. We are from BBA, BSc, MBA, or some other domains we came from. I even don't know a basic C language or a C program or a SQL, nothing. I don't know anything. So does this technology is related to that prerequisite things? Do I have to know these languages before learning this technology, team? Absolutely no. That is what we always tell, team. Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications are completely zero coding applications, team. So you no need to worry about any sort of coding in this domain. When I say zero, it's zero, not minimal. Okay. It's a completely zero coding application, team. So with non-IT experiences also, you can able to join. The best part with this ERP applications, team, usually Oracle Fusion applications are part of ERP family. What is ERP? I will tell you in next 5 minutes, team. The best part with this Oracle Fusion applications is, team, companies will not look at your tech-based experiences, team. I mean to say your education things. I mean to say like whether you are from a BTech background, whether you are from a computer science background, or you are from MCA background. No. Companies not looking at your technicality in your studies or graduation, team. Very few applications in the market will have this advantage. One such product is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. No company will look at your graduation, what you passed out, team. We have seen personally many students from different non-IT backgrounds, team. They are from BA, Bachelor of Arts, BBA, BCom, BSc, okay? And even from the science backgrounds, arts background people also, to start their career into IT, this technology is open, team. Companies looking only your knowledge in this technology, how good you are in this technology. That is what companies want. I'm not telling only startups or mid-level will look like that, team. From top MNCs, Deloitte, Techem, Infosys, Capgemini, to till the startup or the mid-level companies, team. Any company in the market you take, they are not restricting the candidates with their educational backgrounds, team. You are from any background, that doesn't matter. Companies will look at your technical skill in this technology, whether you are knowledgeable or not, team. So today I'm going to introduce to you one such technology or an application in the market that is completely zero coding and with non-IT experiences to learn. That is our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So what is HCM stands for, team? Human Capital Management. So what is that? We will see, team, once we get into what is ERP and all, team. But before starting the session for today, before getting into the agenda for today, team, let me briefly introduce about myself. Few of you already aware of me. Some of you directly came to office in the last 1 week and you've been interacted with me, who I am, what is my experience, you know. But people who joining the session directly today, let me introduce about your trainer, who I am, team. Okay. So as I told you, my name is Kumar and I am an Oracle certified implementation specialist with overall 14 plus years of experience, in which 12 plus years into IT consulting team. So I have total 14 plus career experience, team. Out of that 12 plus years, I'm into this IT consulting team. From last 9 years, I've been part of this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. And I'm a certified implementation specialist. In maximum modules of Oracle Fusion HCM, I have certifications completed, team. And coming to my work experience in this technology, close to 14 plus end-to-end implementation and support projects I worked on, team. And the clients that I worked for, they came from different countries, team. They are from US, UK, Australia, Finland, UAE, and much more, team. So I have total 14 plus projects end-to-end implementation experience, team. In this, I've been part of implementation projects, support projects, upgradation projects from e-business suite to Fusion, PeopleSoft to Fusion. So different combination of the projects I've been part of, team. I can say that in this technology, I hold multi-legislation experience, team. I worked for the clients there from different countries, team. So I have multi-country exposure also in this technology, team. And by myself, I'm also a director for Triotech Software Trainings, and I am the SME for Oracle HCM Cloud in Triotech team. So along with our regular trainings, so as I told you, we started Triotech in 2015. Since then, we've been training many candidates, team. So as of this year, we trained close to 20,000 plus candidates across different verticals. Not only Oracle HCM, we have different other offerings also: financial, supply chain, technical, OIC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud, and Oracle DBA. So covering all these technologies, team, we trained over 20,000 plus students from the last 10 years, team. And along with the regular trainings that happen every month in Triotech, I even conduct corporate trainings as well, team. I mean to say, when I say corporate trainings, companies will be reaching out to us. They will be tying up with us to train their employees, team. So I have extensively covered 25 plus corporate trainings to several companies, team. Few of them, if I have to name, we have DHL, we have Tech Mahindra, we have American Express, and even now, couple of corporate trainings are happening simultaneously, team. And I am an ex-Deloitte Infosys E&Y employee, and we do the projects in this technology currently, team. I am working in one of the global implementation for a client where they have presence in close to 90 plus countries, team. So there is a face-by-face implementation going on. I am working as a solution architect and I am holding a team of 15 resources in that project team. So this is about my experience. So why I am telling all these things? If you're learning something, you should learn from a candidate who is having good sum of experience in this domain. What value that I can add to you, right? So with this experienced team, I can say that this training is going to be a real-time practical training. It's not going to be a theoretical explanation, theory plus practical. We will be having a dedicated lab access to you where you will be practicing everything in hand team. So once you complete the program, you won't get only the theoretical knowledge of the subject team. Hands-on expertise you will be getting. So if anyone having a plan to showcase 3 to 4 years of relevant experience in this domain also after this training, you will be in a situation to attend the interview with that experience. So to that extent, we will try to take you team. So this is about my introduction team. Now let me move on to the agenda for today's session. What I'm going to teach you in this today's demo team. In this session today, we are going to first see introduction to ERP team. Okay. Because Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications, this is our technology that we are going to learn. So this Oracle Fusion HCM comes under ERP family team. So we have to know what is ERP, why these products will be used in the real-time markets by any company, and what are the different ERP products available in the market team. And then I will talk about what is Fusion application, Fusion applications evaluation overview. So what is this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud? Who will use this in the real time? For what purpose? And what is its evaluation? What is the history, background? When Oracle introduced these applications in the market, since then, how the application evolving, the background of this, everything we will see here about the history of the Fusion applications team. See, people might think, some of you might already having ERP experiences. Kumar, we know all this stuff, no? Probably you know team, but whenever you're learning something, learning from the grassroots level is very important. You have to know their basics, from where they hail from, who is the owner, for what purpose these applications will be used, when they introduce it. This history is definitely required for everyone to know. So that we will be seeing here team. Then types of companies involved. Whenever you learning any IT application team, it's not about Oracle Fusion. You might be learning AWS, Azure, DevOps, any IT application. When you learning team, you should be knowing what are the types of companies involved. Here I am going to introduce to you team who is vendor, who is called as a client or customer, and who is implementation company. Once you learn this technology, in which type of companies you will be recruited, what you will be doing in that companies, that I will explain you here team, in types of companies involved. And then team, I will talk about Fusion environment releases. When Oracle introduced these applications in the market, what is the release version Oracle introduced? Now we are in 2025 February team. What is the latest version? What is the upgradation policy Oracle following? Every time how the versioning sequence Oracle following, that I will explain you here team. And then I will explain you what are the modules in HCM cloud. Many people were asking me a common question team. Kumar, people telling that functional technical. What is functional? What is technical? What we have to learn exactly? Market recruitment happening on which requirements? Here I am going to ice break you on that team. What are the total modules we have in this HCM cloud? What we have to learn to get job in the market? What we are going to cover as part of this program? And also any prerequisites required to learn this program. That all I will ice break you here team. And then I will talk about the career opportunities in this HCM cloud application team. How the recruitment happening in the market, what are the roles that we have to apply, then what sort of packages company offering now in the market. These all things we will discuss here, team. And then I will introduce to you Oracle Knowledge Repository. Means, team, Oracle provides standard documents for their application team. So we will provide anyhow after the enrollment all customized materials with user manual kind of things, step-by-step navigations from Triotech you will get. But on top of that, team, if you want to get Oracle documents, how you have to reach Oracle websites where we can download that all I will introduce to you, team, here. And then few of the people asking me about the certifications, team. Kumar, once we learn this technology, does really certification mandatory? If yes, what is the cost? How the examination pattern? How we have to book? What support you will provide? That I will tell you here, team, in certification process. It's not required, but the process I will tell you here, team. And finally, I will conclude the session with why to choose Triotech software trainings, why Kumar as your trainer, what benefit that you will be getting, team. So today, as it is a demo, team, slightly session will extend for more 15-20 minutes only for today. From tomorrow, the timings will be strictly followed 8 to 9 sharp, because after 9 o'clock, I have another batch to take up, team. So I request everyone from tomorrow, please plan your schedule correctly by sharp 8 o'clock, team. So people who already contacted to us, we have your details, team. But after the demo, to reach out to you, our admin team sharing you the message in the chat board, team. In your Zoom strip, you are getting a chat option there, right? So please fill the Google form, team. If you fill that Google form only after the session, we can able to reach out to you, team. So meanwhile, whenever you are getting the Google form message from the admin team, please fill that Google form to reach out to you, right? Now let me start for the very first topic today, team. That is introduction to ERP. Before that, team, let me just walk through this slide, which is really important for the participants attending the demo today. First of all, who are the participants that to be learning this technology? I mean to say, for whom this course is for, who can learn. If you fall in any of these criteria, then you are eligible to learn this technology. Number one, if you are in your final year of degree, you are about to pass in next 3-4 months, you want to learn some good technology in the market, you want to start your career, then this course is for you, team. Or if you have completed your graduation and you are looking for one best technology or one high paying job to start your career, team, or you might have a gap of 2, 3 or 4 years after your graduation, now you want to start your career, then you are eligible to learn this course, team. If you want to get a high paying job moving out of your current jobs, team, I mean to say non-IT people who are working in non-IT domains, now you want to switch your career to IT, then this course is eligible for you, team. If you want to get a salary of 25 to 45 LPA in next 4 to 5 years, this is not exaggeration. This is not a marketing stunt. This is a fact, because in this domain, we've been seeing practically from our students only, people with 4 to 5 years of experience currently drawing the CTCs of somewhere around 20 to 30 LPA, team. So companies giving this good amount of salaries in this domain, team. So if you are planning your career in the next 4 to 5 years, if you want to draw this level of CTCs, then this career have that prospect or provision, team. So ultimately, the final point is people from any degree, any background can learn this course. Who have the hesitation of coding, who is worried about the coding, the languages, SQL, PLSQL, JSON, XML, nothing is required to learn this technology. It's a very plain functional application. Already Oracle developed the application team. We are going to work only on the configuration of the application from the client requirement team. So completely it's a zero coding application. So if you fall in any of these criteria, then this course is eligible for you team. Now let me move on to the first concept for today, introduction to ERP. What is ERP team? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Nothing but team, it's a business process management software that manages and integrates companies' financial, supply chain, operations, HR activities team. See, any organization in the market you take as an example, the very well-known companies in our day-to-day life. Let's take Reliance Industries team or Tata Group you take or L&T, Cisco, Amazon, Apple, Google, any company that you know, you take it as an example team. In every organizations, different business processes are involved with team. In every company, there will be a HR department. So in any organization, the HR department people will be taking care of all manpower hirings and all team. Hire to retire of the employees. Okay. Hire to retire of the employees. The entire employee management team, their recruiting, their hiring, their absences, their salary processing, employee appraisals, everything will handled by HR department people in any company team. And in every company, finance department or business area will be there. In any organization team, whatever the amount receivable, whatever the amount payable, invoices, payments, everything, the money management, the finance department or finance business area will handle in every company team. Then if it is a manufacturing company, supply chain, operations, procurement departments or business areas will be there. Then sales business area will be there. So if a company have to run, means different departments or different business areas are involved with team. But to handle all these things, clients cannot maintain them manually team. They require a modular tech-based software application. Let us first come to human resources team because our technology is related to HCM, Oracle Fusion HCM, Human Capital Management. This is a HR related software application team. Okay, let us come to human resources team. So in every organization team, to conduct all their day-to-day HR activities, companies requires a tech-based modular software applications team. You can ask me, Kumar, prior to this technology or ERPs, how companies handled in 30, 40 years back, everything handled manually. That time technology was not there. How many employees working in the company, they used to maintain in the books or Word or Excel like that team. And every day they used to take attendance physically, tick mark, who present, who is absent. At the end of the month, they used to manually calculate the salaries and they used to pay them cash like that team. But with the intervention of this technology team, the ERP concept came into the picture. So there are different tech-based software applications came into the market team. So ERP is a category or a family team. Under that ERP family, different companies offering different ERP products team. So our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud will be used by any company in order to conduct their day-to-day HR operations team. If anyone have work experiences team, whenever you join in any organization, your company will be giving you a HR portal, right? Where you can see your employment details, where you can check your pay slips every month, where you can go and apply your leaves. That is one of the ERP application team. So Oracle HCM Cloud is a ERP application that will be used by any company in order to handle their day-to-day HR operations team. Like Oracle Fusion HCM team, within Oracle Fusion, we have financial separate application, supply chain separate, procurement separately team. But anyone will work on any one of the technology only. So our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud will be there to handle the HR activities in any company team. So Oracle offering Oracle Fusion applications team under this ERP family in the market. Oracle also having e-business suite. Oracle also having PeopleSoft. Then Oracle also having NetSuite. Different ERP applications Oracle offering team. Then we have SAP in the market, Salesforce in the market, Northgate, Pegasus. Okay, our very own Indian product is there, Zoho. So team, for your reference, I kept these all competitors here, but we are going to learn Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application team. But these all are the different ERP products available in the market team. So ERP is a family category. Under that, different products are offered by different companies team. One such product offered by Oracle, we are going to learn, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. It's a HR related software application. Here, immediately, some of you will get a question in mind. Kumar, after learning this technology, we will work as HRs in the company. HRs means packages are not that attractive, no? Even the career prospect or growth, if you say, HR roles will not have that high packages in the market. You are asking us to learn that? No team. Don't get confused. Why I'm telling is, some of the students, when they came to me, they meet me in the office also, I have been listening this question from them. Kumar, after this technology learning, we will be starting as a HRs? No, you will not start as a HR in any company. You will start as a IT engineer, software employee team. So this is an application. We will be working on the configuration of this application team. We are not working as any HRs in the organization team. So we will be recruited in all IT companies, Deloitte, Techem, Infosys, Capgemini team. So whenever that companies have the project, we will be deployed for that. That I will tell you in types of companies, you will get more clarity team. But don't be in the impression you will be starting your career as HRs in the company. No, this application is HR related application. This is a software application that we will be working as a consultants, engineers, analysts, as an implementation engineers team. Okay. So this is team, the concept of ERP in the system. Now let me move on to what is Oracle Fusion application team. So we have to learn what is Oracle Fusion team. I told you this is an ERP application. Every company will be using it for their day-to-day HR activities team. So if anyone asks me, Kumar, what is Oracle Fusion applications team? I can best describe Fusion applications into three categories team. They are built on open standard based platform. They built on best business processes. They can be deployed through selection of option. What is built on open standard based platform team? See, Oracle SOA, service oriented architecture. Okay, Oracle SOA, WebLogic Server, JDeveloper, OBIE, Web Center Portal. These are the different individual technical tools available in the market team. The backend schema of the Fusion application team, they were built on all these individual technical tools. This is just for your information team. If any one of you from core technical middleware backgrounds joining the demo to understand the Fusion applications backend built by what technologies team. In interview, they won't ask you this question, but just for your information purpose, I'm sharing this team. Here we have to know this history team. Fusion applications built on best business processes. What do you mean by this team? Oracle e-business suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel. These are the existing ERP products in the market prior to 2006. Now we have to talk about the fusion evaluation path. Prior to 2006, okay, way back, Oracle's own ERP product during that time, even now also, Oracle e-business suite team. And we used to have a product called PeopleSoft, which is owned by PeopleSoft Corporation team. And we have JD Edwards, JD Edwards World, Siebel, Hyperion. Prior to 2016, these all are the individual ERP products owned by different companies in the market team. Okay. But the problem during that time is what team? None of the ERP applications in the market was very stable in all the business areas team. For example, if you take PeopleSoft team, PeopleSoft is very good at, okay, PeopleSoft is very good at HRMS business area, our HCM team, human resources. But PeopleSoft is not good at financial, supply chain, CRM, other business areas team. JD Edwards is very good at procurement and financials during that time. Siebel is very good at CRM, customer relationship management business area. Hyperion is very good at reporting. Oracle's own EBS is very good at financials team. But none of the applications during that time is very stable in all the business areas team. So what Oracle did team in the year 2006 with $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all these ERP products in the market. Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, Hyperion. That was one of the biggest acquisitions happened in the entire world in 2016. $18 billion acquisition Oracle spent to buy out all these products from their owners team. So in 2006, Oracle buy all these products free. And what Oracle did, Oracle is in a vision to introduce a new ERP product into the market, which is very stable in all the business areas team. So Oracle taken the knowledge of HRMS, human resource from PeopleSoft, procurement knowledge from JD Edwards, CRM knowledge from Siebel product, reporting knowledge from Hyperion. Like that team, Oracle taken, acquired all these applications, and Oracle taken the knowledge from all these products and they built one brand new futuristic application, that is Oracle Fusion Cloud team. So in 2006, Oracle acquired all these companies, and in the year 2011, Oracle announced Fusion Cloud applications into the market team. So 4-5 years after the acquisition, in 2011, Oracle introduced Fusion applications into the open world. Now immediately some of you might get a question. Hey Kumar, we are in 2025, almost 14 years. 2011, Oracle introduced the applications you are telling. That old product you are asking us to learn today? That is a common question everyone will get, right? But team, though Oracle introduced in 2011 team, to penetrate into the market, to make the customers acceptable by this product and adoption by the customers team, it took 5-6 years team. From 2016, 2017, if you ask me exactly, real market started from 2018 onwards only team. It took 5-6 years for Oracle to penetrate and to get the market acceptance team. From 2018 onwards, we are seeing a phenomenal spike in the customer adoption. Means what team? Many companies across the globe using Oracle Fusion applications as their in-house HR applications team. So the background of Fusion applications is this team. From 2018-19 onwards, we are seeing huge customer adoption. And one advantage Oracle having here is team. This is very important. You should know. Some of you might get a question here. Kumar, SAP also there, no? My friend telling me to learn SAP success factors, same like Oracle HCM, we have SAP, no? So why you are not suggesting as SAP? See, the best advantage Oracle having is team. Oracle already crossed SAP in the market. In terms, why I am telling is this team. Oracle having a huge existing customer base. Already Oracle e-business suite competing with SAP during that time. PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, Oracle acquired them, right? So all the existing customers, whoever using these products, Oracle insisting them to move to Fusion. That is the only future for next 15-20 years. So already having huge customer base with Oracle team, different companies in the market already using the Oracle products. So all these existing ERP customers of Oracle, Oracle insisting them, forcing them to move to Fusion, because as per the latest update from Oracle, till 2032 or maximum till 2035 only, Oracle support to these products team. Everyone have to move to Fusion. That is the reason team from 2018, 19, 2020, we've been seeing phenomenal spike in the customer adoption. Many companies now using Oracle Fusion application. And one more advantage is team. Now we can say proudly Oracle Fusion applications are very stable in all the business areas. You take HCM, you take financials, you take supply chain, you take procurement, you take CRM. In every business area, Fusion applications are very stable, very mature team. That is the reason many companies now moving to Oracle Fusion team. As we see sudden spike in the customer adoption team in the market, the employees who working on this technology are not readily available. That is the resource crunch we have in the market in 2025 also. That is the reason the demand for the recruitment in this technology also suddenly hiked team. You can see the packages wise also team. A person with relevant experience of 2 to 3 years, companies ready to offer 15 to 20 lakhs also. With 4 to 5 years, 25 to 35 lakhs companies are ready to offer, because huge requirement is there and the resource is not ready in the market team. So this is the right time who planning to start their careers team. I'm not telling you just for now to enter into the market team. For next 15-20 years, if you want to be on a technology without any hesitation, any fear of losing the jobs team, then this ERP applications are going to be that game-changing application, because anytime recession impacts the entire IT world, okay, in 26 or 2011, we have different patterns of recession impacting. Even now, you are hearing the word of recession everywhere team. Whenever any recession impacts also, the jobs in these ERP applications are not getting impacted team. It's a live example that we've been seeing from last 10-15 years. Why? Because these applications are used by the companies to run the show, to run the company. For day-to-day activities to perform, these applications are used team. If any recession comes in, they cannot stop their companies, right? They have to run the company in the day-to-day life. So team, we are not seeing any recession impacts in this technology team, and don't have the situations like keeping on you on the bench that projects are not there. We've been not seeing that also team. Until and unless you are not proven enough in that team, you are not adding value to the project, you are not technically good, then the company might take a decision of removing you. But until unless that team, from the point of demand perspective, that there are no calls in the market, no projects in the market, no, never a question in this technology team. Every day in the office, I have been monitoring the candidates team. Every day, 20-30 people will come to the office in Hyderabad. They will sit and they will be practicing, who dropping the resumes. Every day I will take the feedback from them to get updated about myself in this area team. People with freshers or 2 to 3 years experience also, every week they are getting easily 5 to 8 calls from different companies team. And the best part with this technology is you no need to wait the call only from MNC team, from startup, mid-level to MNCs. In every level IT companies, in this technology, the projects are available team. Oracle having a huge market. You take US market, North American market, or Canadian market, or you take Europe market, or you take Middle East, and even now in Asian countries also. In India also, team, many companies using Oracle Fusion applications. If you ask me, in India who are using Kumar, the very well-known banks in our day-to-day life, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, okay, and very well-known pharmaceutical companies in India, or even in Hyderabad, I can say Arabindo Pharma, Hetero Pharma, even these companies using Oracle Fusion applications team. Because by myself, I conducted trainings for Arabindo Pharma for their employees on this technology team. So Oracle penetrated into the market such a way that every country you take Oracle having the customers who using this applications team. So from the point of recruitment, you don't have any challenge in getting the calls team. So this is about team built on best business processes and fusion evaluation team. And they can be deployed through selection of options. It means team, we have cloud and on-premise options team. On-premise means earlier team, whenever any customer buying this product from Oracle, customers or the companies have to buy the server. They have to install the server in their office premises team, and they have to install the application into that. They used to maintain the application with a team of database administrator, network specialists, security administrators, and all team. That was earlier way of deployment team on premise. But now the entire world is moving towards the cloud. Cloud means what team? Software that is hosted over the internet. So any company, when they buy the product from Oracle team, application will be delivered just in the form of URL. Just like this team. You can go to your laptop or system, any browser you go, just pass that URL and search it team. See, this is Fusion application team. It will ask for sign in actually, but in my Chrome, already they were signed in. That's why it's signed in already team. See, this is the Fusion application UI team. But usually it will ask us for sign in like this. Whenever we pass it, it will prompt us to this page, sign in Oracle application. Once we log in with our user ID and password team, you could able to enter into the Fusion application. Cloud-based technology means this one team, like our Gmail. How you will access your Gmail or your Facebook or your Instagram team in the laptop or mobile. Okay, you don't need to install any sort of application or technologies team in the laptop or PCs to run it. Cloud-based application. Just you will go to Google, pass that URL, and you can able to enter into the Fusion application team. So now the entire future is moving towards this cloud and AI, artificial intelligence, right? So team, Oracle Fusion applications are also purely offered in cloud-based deployments team. So that is what Oracle Fusion applications is about. Then team, I want to touch base to you on types of companies involved. This is mandatorily everyone should aware of this team. What is this? Types of companies involved means whenever you're learning any technology, you want to start a career in any company team. It's not about Oracle Fusion. Any software technology you are learning team. Typically, three types of companies involved in the usability of the application team. First of all, team, service provider company. See, this Oracle Fusion applications belong to whom? Who is selling this product? iPhone sold by Apple company, right team? Samsung mobile sold by Samsung company. So Oracle Fusion applications are owned by whom? Who will sell the product in the market, right? Service provider or the vendor, nothing but company who's selling the product is called as service provider or vendor team. Oracle India Private Limited. So Oracle owning this product team and they will sell this product team. I'll tell you why I kept IBM, Deloitte, Accenture. Just give me 5 minutes time. So service provider or the vendor means company who selling the product team. For example, Oracle selling the product that is belong to Oracle company team. So now client or the customer company. From last 10-15 minutes, I'm using the word client like that. What do you mean by client? Client or customer means company who purchasing the product from Oracle and who going to use that product in their day-to-day business activities. For example, you take Reliance Industries team. So Reliance want to buy the product from Oracle because Reliance want to use Oracle Fusion HCM as their in-house HR tool for all their employees to manage team. So Reliance Industries is the client or the customer team. Reliance buying the product from Oracle. Oracle is selling the product that is owned by them. Service provider or the vendor is Oracle. Client or the customer is Reliance. Company who buying the product and using the product in their day-to-day life team. For example, now Reliance bought the product from Oracle team. Now Reliance company want someone to configure the application according to their requirement team because they want to use it in their day-to-day life. Okay. So Reliance, what it will do team? Reliance will reach to consulting companies in the market. Consulting companies are nothing but so-called software companies, IT companies in the market team. Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Accenture, Capgemini, Wipro. These all are the consulting companies team. Company who is implementing the product. So Reliance, what they will do? They will reach out to the consulting companies. They will give the project to them. So these companies will implement the product according to the Reliance requirement team. Example, I'm taking Reliance Deloitte team, but understand the concept here. When any company in the market buy the product from Oracle, they require someone to configure, implement the system according to their data and all team. So Reliance will reach to the consulting companies team and these companies will implement the product to Reliance team. So they can use the application in their day-to-day life. Once we learn this technology, we will be working in these IT companies in the market, in these consulting companies, Deloitte, Tech and Cognizant team. So whenever our company gets the project, we will be deployed for that client project team. And we will be working as a software engineers in these companies, in this technology of Oracle Fusion HCM team. So now you have to be clear team. Once you learn this technology, you are not working as a HR team. You are working in these software companies as a software engineers in this technology team. When our company gets the project, we have to work for the client requirement team. So typically team, these are the companies involved in any software application in the market team. Now you might ask me a question, Kumar, why in service provider you kept IBM, Deloitte, Accenture? They are consulting companies, no? Yes, team. See, Oracle itself alone cannot market their product team. For example, Apple iPhone is there. Apple alone cannot keep the stores across the world in all countries and they cannot market their product. They cannot sell their product. What Apple will do? Apple will partner with Big C, Bajaj Electronics, Chroma. Correct? We are getting Apple mobile directly in Apple store. At the same time, in Amazon we can buy. In Chroma we can buy. In Bajaj Electronics we can buy. Right, team? Same this one also. Oracle itself will sell the product. But at the same time, Oracle will also give some association or the partnership to the consulting companies who doing the projects for their technologies team. So every consulting company, depending upon their business that they are doing with Oracle, Oracle will give platinum, gold partnership, platinum partnership like that. On behalf of Oracle, they can also sell the product by keeping some margin team. That will also happen in the market. Okay. So that is just for your information purpose. I'm sharing with you. So this is about team, types of companies team. Now I will talk about team fusion environment releases in the system. So as I told you today, the demo session slightly it will extend. Please accommodate team. From tomorrow, we can conclude the topic by night because already we started 10 minutes late because of people joining lately team. Okay. Please be on the session. At the end of the class, I'm going to tell you the entire training details, then the early board offer that what we have for today team and what additional benefits you will be getting if you enroll today for this program. So please hold the call till the end of the session, and even Q&A I will take at the end of the class team. So please be on the session. Okay. Now team, let us talk about team fusion environment releases. I told you in 2011, Oracle introduced the fusion applications in the market team. Correct? When Oracle introduced these applications team, Oracle came up with a version called R1. See team, in our mobile also, we have our software versions, right? Android 7.5, Android 10.5, or iOS 11.2 like that. Or in our laptops, Windows 7 to Windows 8, Windows 8 to Windows 10, 10 to 12, like that. So team, when Oracle introduced the fusion applications in the market in 2011 team, they introduced it with a version of R1, release 1. Since then, it got evolved. Now, the latest version of the fusion applications is R13 team. Okay. See, R13 Oracle reached out in 2017, 2018 only team, R13. Okay. But what Oracle did, you know? Oracle made this R13 as a static version for Fusion applications team. 2018 only we reached that R13. But R13 Oracle made as a static version team. So there will be no change in the release versions in future team. But within R13, subversioning Oracle following. That I'll tell you team. But here we have to know one thing team. From release 1 to release 1 to release 9, okay, release 10, people who buy the product during this time team, companies who bought the product from Oracle during this time, Oracle sold the product both in on-premise, okay, and cloud deployment options team. So during this time, whoever the companies purchased the product from Oracle, Fusion applications sold both on on-premise and cloud deployment options team. But from release 10 onwards team, Oracle stopped on-premise. There is no on-premise team. Traditional way of companies buying the servers, installing them in the offices, nothing. Purely now the Fusion applications are offered only on a cloud-based application team. No on-premise model there in the system. And then team, Oracle follow, this is very important understanding everyone should have. Okay. Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy team because many students who learning this technology, they will be not aware of this concept team. But in the interviews, you might get a, not might, you will get a question team. Can you talk about the upgradation policy in the Fusion application? And every time when the upgrade happening, what are the activities you will do in the company? This type of questions will come in the interview team because I know many of you will manipulate your experiences and you will drop the resume. As such, you already worked in this domain, you will portray. So some real-time questions of this will come team. So you have to answer means these all things you should aware of team. Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy team. It means team, quarter means what team? Every 3 months is quarter team. In a year, we have 4 quarters in the year team. Correct? In a year, we have 4 quarters team. Every 3 months is a quarter team in our financial language. Okay. Jan to March is first quarter in the year team. Okay. Then April to June is second quarter in the year team. Then July to September is the third quarter. Then October to December. So every year team, we have 4 quarters team. So yearly, 4 times Oracle will provide upgradation to their application team. Kumar, what is upgradation here? See, this is a software application team. Even in our mobile also, whenever our software upgrade, what will happen team? You will experience some new functionalities in the system. Some existing bugs in the system will get fixed, or any old unused features are there means they will remove, right? Some new enhancements or some new features Oracle brings in the system team, I mean in the mobile team, right? By Android or Apple. Similarly, team, Oracle investing a lot in their research and development team to be in the market as a leader in the ERP segment. See, that is the one of the most important thing why Oracle products are very successful, very demanded in the market team. Oracle to be in the competition, that too on the top notch, in the top of the market team. Okay. Oracle invests a lot in their research and development to give more customer experience, to more customer adaptiveness to their application team. Oracle improvising their application on a timely manner. So yearly, 3-4 times Oracle will upgrade their application team. So every time phenomenal changes will not happen team, but few enhancements, few new functionalities Oracle brings in the system. Any old unused functionalities are there means Oracle remove them from the system. And also in previous upgrades, any bugs are there. Bugs means any issues, errors, customers reporting, that fixes. These all things Oracle will bring in every upgrade team. Now, if you ask me, Kumar, we are in 2025 February. What is the latest version of the Fusion application team? In tomorrow's session, I'm going to introduce to you the detailed overview of the application and all team. But here I will show you. If I come here, if I go to the right side settings and action, under about this application team, I will have the version checking up team. What is the latest version? Kumar, you told release 13, no? Yes, the Fusion latest version is release 13. Everywhere see application development framework, REL 13. Middleware extension, REL 13. See, database compatibility, REL 13. Release 13.25a is the latest version of the Fusion application team. What is the latest version of the Fusion application? Release 13.25a. What is this 25a team? See, we are in 2025. 25. A means first quarter team. Means Oracle categorized 4 quarters into A, B, C, D. 4 quarters, Oracle naming them as A, B, C, D. And 25A means we are in 2025 first quarterly upgrade. So team, we are in February. Jan to February in the year is first quarter team. So we are in the latest updation team. The training for you also will be conducted on the latest version of the application team. So we are in 2025 first quarter team. A means. Then team, when we reach out to April, then the version will change to 25B. Then team 25C. Then 25D. Next year cycle will be 26A, 26B, 26C, 26D. So every year, 4 quarters we have team, and Oracle designates the versioning with this year followed by the quarter which we are in team. So last year we have team 24D, 24C, 24B, 24A. Every year, 4 times Oracle will upgrade the application every 3 months. During that time, the sequencing Oracle will follow. April month, you check team, the sequence will go to 25B, like that team. So every time, whenever upgrade happens, team, as I told you, some new enhancements Oracle will bring in. So Kumar, how come we know about that? In the real-time projects, when you are working team, every quarter when Oracle upgrading the application, Oracle upfront only, 2-3 months before only, Oracle will give the release notes to the market team. I mean, in this upgrade, what new functionalities in each module Oracle bringing in. A detailed document with step-by-step Oracle will give team. As a implementation consultants team, we have to go through them, because I always tell to my students team, when you learning the technology, we should also grow along with the application. If application is growing, we should also grow. Then only we will be in the market with the competition team. Okay. So how, Kumar, where we can get them, that I will tell you in tomorrow session team. Whenever I'm introducing to you Oracle's knowledge repository here, where is that? Here, introducing to the Oracle documents, there I will show you team, where we can access the Oracle standard documents, every quarterly new release documents where we can take. So in real-time projects team, we have to explain to the client also. See, in this quarterly upgrade, these new features coming in. So we don't have any impact to our existing functionalities. If you want, we can take this new functionality we are looking for. Like that, we will brief to the client in the calls team. And also, when Oracle upgrading team, usually over the weekends, Oracle will give specific date. So during that time, we will do some regression testing team, pre-upgrade testing, post-upgrade testing and all. But they are too early to learn. When we come to our project implementation workshop team, here I will tell you. See team, as I told you in this training, we are not only covering the theoretical part, theory with practical, and also the real-time project implementation, how it will happen team. Because when you go for an interview team, you are keeping 3-4 years of relevant experience and you are dropping the resume. A part of the subject, some common questions you will be experiencing team. Can you tell me what are your day-to-day activities in the company every day? Or can you please walk through the entire implementation project methodology that your company follow? And at which phase of the project you are currently working in? What document you will prepare to the client in CRP1 stage? These all team, until and unless you really work on the project, you won't get this information team. But to make you comfortable with that team, we do conduct some placement workshops. I personally will take team, placement workshops team. In that, the entire implementation methodology I am going to explain you. So when you are working in the real-time projects team, what will be the team size? How many people will work in that team? How you will interact with the client from kickoff meeting to till go live? What are the different phases? How you will collect the requirement from the client? What is CRP1, CRP2? What is KUT phase, UAT phase, go live phase? Each phase, what documents we will prepare to the client, the reference documents. These all things we are going to cover team. During this time, I will also explain you the difference between implementation project, support project, what type of tickets you will get in the project and all. During that time, I will explain you this activities team. Every quarter when upgrade happening, what you will do. But as of now, I want everyone to know what is the release version of the Fusion application. Every quarter, how the sequence naming will change. This is 25A. Currently, we are in team. What is this 11.13.25, Kumar? 11 stands for 2011. Oracle introducing the application in the market team. 13 stands for release 13, the version team. 25 stands for the year we are in, 2025. 01 stands for we are in first quarter upgrade team. In first quarter team, January month is what team? First month, 01. That is 01 team. Next, you check it out after 2 months. By the time we complete this training program of 3 months team, you will be experiencing the 25B upgrade team. So during that time, the next version you can see will be team 25B 11.13.25. 04.0. So 04 means here in the second quarter, first month is April. So that will be the month of that quarter that we are following in team. If anyone want to take the screenshot, you can take it. You can able to check it after 2 months when the upgrade came in team. So this is about Fusion environment releases team. And then team, I'll talk about what are the modules we have in this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud team. Because many of you having a confusion here. Kumar, what are the total concepts we have in this technology? What comes under functional? What comes under technical? Let us quickly go through it, team, and we can conclude for today. So, when it comes to Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team, we have total modules like this team. Okay, what are the modules? Modules in Oracle Fusion HCM team. We have different modules in the system team. What are they? What are they? Let us understand team here. Okay. When it comes to modules team, let me list it out quickly. We have team something like core HR or global HR team. We call it as core HR or global HR. This is one module we have in the system. Then we have team absence management. Absence management. This is one module we have in the system team. Okay. This is one module we have in the system team. Let me increase the font size. Okay. Then we have team something like payroll management. Okay. Then we have something like talent management. In talent management, again, we have sub-modules team like profile management, talent review. Okay. Then we have goal management, performance management, succession management. Like that, we have sub-modules in that team. Then we have team compensation and benefits team. Actually, these two are two different modules, but we call them together team. And we have team some advanced modules like OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. Then we have OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. Then we have something called ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. And we also have something like team help desk. Then we have HCM Communicator. Some advanced modules also we have team. So these are the total modules we have in the Fusion application team. Okay. We have the total modules we have in the Fusion application team. Oh my God. Okay. Total modules we have in the Fusion system team. A part of these modules team, we have also some other concepts like security administration. Okay. Then we have something like workflows and approvals. Okay. Then we have team customizations and personalizations team. So here we have the concepts like Sandbox, HCM Design Studio. Okay. Okay. And then team, we have something like inbound integrations team. Inbound integrations team. In that we have team BI reports. Sorry. We have team HDL, HCM data loader. Then spreadsheet data loader. Like that we have two components here team. And the entire concepts in HCM I'm writing down here. There is nothing left out apart of this in the subject team. Okay. Then we have outbound integrations team. Here we have BI reports. Okay. Then we have OTBI reports. Then we have HCM extracts team, like that. And we have one common component across the modules team, fast formulas. Okay. See team, in the entire Fusion HCM cloud applications team, these are the total concepts we have. These are the modules team. A part of modules, we have some other configurations in the system, this team. Now, what comes under functional and what comes under technical team? Okay, all these modules will come under functional side of the application team. All these modules will come under functional side of the application team. And these components will come under technical side. Okay, all these functional modules and all these are technical modules in the system team. See, there is a different opinion. Even security, workflows, and customizations team. These are also part of functional that I will tell usually. But in general, in the market, if you see any training institutes, a part of Triotech, if you see also, these components they are offering in technical training separately team because technical infusion is very limited scope. So if you give only these two components in technical training, we can't have a curriculum designed for a program of 30 days or 45 days. So these components also people covering in technical team along with these two. But actual core technical infusion is these two only team. But as part of training, for our convenient purpose, we categorize them also as part of technical team. So these comes under functional, these comes under technical team. So team, every module will have a particular service in the system. Core HR, if you take team, in core HR or global HR module team, we will configure all our clients' organizations, their jobs, positions, locations, everything team. Entire employee management from hiring, their transfers, their promotions, demotions, their changing of assignments, their resignation, the hire to retire of the employee will handle in core HR module team. Then absence management, we have team. In every organization team, different types of leaves will be provided to the employees team. The entire leave management, what are the different types of leaves, their policies, that all configurations we will do in absence module team. Employee applying the leave, that all team. Then we have payroll module team. Salary management. Every company have to pay salaries to the employees every month. The entire salary processing will handle in payroll module team. Then talent module. Like in every company, every year, performance appraisals companies will conduct a team to rate the employees based on their performance, their promotions, their demotions, that will handle in talent module team. Then we have compensation module team. On top of salary, payroll, anything company have to pay like bonus, like shares company allocate to their employees, overtime company want to pay, in compensation module, we will handle all that activities team. Then benefits, we have one module team. In many countries team, particularly in US, if you take different medical insurances, people will be enrolled team. Every month from the salary, company it will deduct, it will pay as an insurance to that company's team. So in the benefits module that we are going to cover team. Okay. And then team, OTL module we have in the system, Oracle Time and Labor team. What is this time and labor team? In every organization team, we've been experiencing, right? If you're working in any company also, biometrics will be placed at the entry of the office team. Biometric, thumb, attendance recording of the employee, punch in, punch out, swipe in, swipe out, right? These all employee attendance recording will handle in OTL module, time and labor module team. Then OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. We have one module in the system team. See, nowadays, if you see, many companies, when you join team, in the onboarding time, companies will ask you to complete some trainings, some video courses they will assign you. They will ask you to complete, they will conduct the exam there about their policies and all team. So to conduct all that virtual trainings to the employee, companies can use this module of Oracle Learning Cloud. Courses can be created, Zoom classes can be conducted to the employees, that all team. Then ORC. See, quickly I'm walking through because we are already late. When we start this, you will understand what we are going to see in each module team. Like we have ORC team, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. So all the recruitment activities team, whenever a business identified a requirement to recruit, inform to the HR. HR will do the postings in Naukri, LinkedIn, all job portals, then downloading the resumes from there, conducting the interviews, releasing the offer letters, onboarding of the employee. That all will handle in ORC module team. Then help desk and communicate we have. It's an internal ticketing tool. Across the employees team, if you want to build a communication channel in the company, like if any issue employee have, they can raise a ticket in that to their concerned admin team or IT team. So that's an internal ticketing tool within the Fusion system we have team. Then coming to the technical side team, we have a module called security. Like whenever you're hiring an employees team, for every employees, the system access to be given, how the user accounts will be created, that all will handle in security team. Then we have workflows and approvals, one module in the system. See team, across all these modules, we have this concept team. My client saying me, Kumar, in my company, whenever any employee apply the leave, it should go for concerned manager approval, Kumar. So these all approval management for all the transactions happening in the system. We have workflows and approvals module team. Then we have team customization and personalization. Means my client asking me, Kumar, here we want our logo, Kumar, or the background theme. I don't want it in this blue or green color. I want it in white color. Or these fonts I want to change. Or these icons I want to change. Any customizations if you want to do to the Fusion application screens, we have a module available called customization and personalization through Sandbox. That we will see here team. Then we have team inbound integration and outbound integration team. Like any bulk data that we have to upload into the Fusion system team. We have data migration tools Oracle given called HDL and spreadsheet team. Means any data from outside, you are inbounding into the Fusion system. When we go for the project implementation team, for example, Reliance is our client. Now we are from Deloitte going to the project team. Prior to Oracle team, Reliance using SAP. So in that 20,000 employees data is there. Now we are implementing Oracle to a Reliance team. All that 20,000 employees data from their legacy system, SAP to Oracle Fusion, we have to migrate. How team? HRs cannot manually hire one by one team. So there should be some data bulk uploading tools. So in Fusion system, we have HCM data loader, HDL, spreadsheet data loader, spreadsheet team. So we will be talking about them here. Then we have outbound integration team. Any data from Fusion system, if you want to extract, nothing but a reports team. Today, my client might ask me, Kumar, in the month of January, how many new hired employees are there? Can you please extract the report and give me? Or Kumar, in the month of January, how many employees applied annual leave? Can you give me the report from the system? So Oracle given team 3 reporting tools in the system. They are BI reports, OTBI reports, and HCM extracts team. Okay. 3 reporting tools we have team. Then we have fast formula. In absence, payroll, compensation modules team, we have one concept called a fast formula team. For any rules to write, validations to write, logics to implement, we have fast formula team. So this is total Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud syllabus or the functionalities or the modules we have team. So here, if anyone have a doubt about any prior language requirements team, I'm telling you, it's a completely zero coding application team. Except in this part team, only in BIP reports team, you require SQL knowledge, not expert level, just select statements how to write that will be required. Only in one BIP reports team. Rest of all places, not at all required with any language that you want to learn team. You don't need to learn anything team. So Kumar, even that I don't know Kumar. Fair enough. See, be in the clarity team. I'm telling you total components we have in this technology. Do we have to learn everything? No. No one in the market will know everything in the technology team. Okay. So you no need to keep this component in the resume. Just keep it up. So remaining all we will keep, then that will be zero coding for you team. Okay. So now, as part of this training program, what we are going to cover. See team, as part of this core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation. These 5 modules will be covered from the functional side team. Because to start your employment in this technology, not only starting, to survive also team, at least 3 to 4 modules you have to learn from this list. No one in the market will be there. Even your project manager, your team lead, they also don't know all the modules team. At least 3 4 modules you have to be learning team. The most demanded high recruiting modules are there in this program team. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation. Okay. These will be covered team. Okay. Whatever bolded here, benefits will not be covered. Remaining will be covered team. Then all these technical aspects will be covered. Security, workflow, sandbox, inbound, outbound, fast formula. And nowadays, the new user experience, Redwood UI came. So what is Redwood? How to implement that Redwood? Even that we are going to cover in this. And even many of you having a question, Kumar, everywhere we are hearing about AI, so-called business leaders in the market or so-called politicians in the market talking about artificial intelligence is going to take over all the jobs in the market. Absolutely no. See, AI in other technologies, I'm not talking. In this fusion applications team, it will make our work ease in using the application. That's all. It will not replace we. Without we configuring the system, it cannot auto configure team. So no issue with the artificial intelligence. Nothing will happen with the jobs or the recruitment with this technology team. But already Oracle introduced AI components team. What are they? In due course of time, I will high level inform you when we configuring the things team. It will make our work more engaged and more easy team. That's all. Okay. But configurations without we doing, system cannot configure it by own. Okay. So don't get into that trap in the market. That's a very big trap going on team. So that is not at all an issue in any of the technologies in the market team, right? So this is about the course offering that we're going to provide team. Now, let me explain you the course timings and the course fee. What are the benefits you are going to get as part of the program team? So as I told you, every module will be training you on the both configuration side and transaction side team. I mean, as an implementation consultant, how to configure the module. Let's say this is core HR sheet team. What all configurations we have to do. After that, once we hand over the system to the client, how the client side people will be using the system. What are the transactions in the module we have team. Because when you learning this team, you should learn the technology from both the sides. What you configure, and once you hand over the system to the client, what they will be using in the day-to-day life team. So for every module, we will be covering the training, configurations, and also the transactions team. This particular sheet will be given to you, not only during the learning, once you join the organizations, once you get into the project also, this is your reference sheet throughout your life. You have to save this sheet once we share with your team. Every module, next absence if you go, what are the configurations, transactions? Payroll you go. What are the configurations we have in payroll? What are the transactions we have in payroll? Next talent module you go. For everything team, we have this reference guides. What are the configurations and what are the transactions we have to do? So this is going to be hands-on practical training team. Coming to the program features. How many days program it is team? Everyone please look at this slide. This is very important. Duration of the program will be for 3 months team. Close to 90 plus hours the program will be there. We have cases where people, some of you are asking me, because yesterday also one of the student, I exactly can't remember, Rajesh or someone, he's asking me, Kumar, elsewhere other institutes providing the course in 45 days, why you are taking 3 months? There's a lot of difference in this program team. The kind of content we've been covering, the kind of practical assignments we are giving to you, the program will last for 90 plus hours team. Because when you're learning, if you learn it high level, that doesn't get you a job. That will doesn't help you to clear the interviews team. So in this program, we are going to cover extensively the end-to-end implementation and the transactions part also team. Many places transactions part will be ignored. They won't cover in the training team, but that is really important when you're learning the application team. So the detailed implementation after this program team, one full life cycle of project implementation you can experience. Though you keep some experiences, and if you are trying also, I can say that after this program, you can portray yourself with 4 to 5 years of relevant experience. And if you attend the interview also, you will be in a situation to clear the interview stream. That level of detailed training will be there. That is why 3 months, the time period we've been taking up for the course to complete. The timings will be Monday to Friday, morning 8 to 9. Today is a demo, we extended team, but from tomorrow, strictly it will be 8 to 9. From tomorrow, regular classes are starting team. And in that, you will be getting lifetime access to the video recordings. Any day if you miss the session also team, don't worry. Every day recording will upload within 1 hour after the class. So if you go to our website team, okay, just if you go to Triotech Software Trainings website, you will get a portal access here team. After the enrollment today, we will create the user account for you team. You can log into our website, okay, you can go to your enrolled course, and here team, all the courses of yours will be able to see here, and everyday sessions will upload here team. You can select the session, you can able to play the session here team. See, so this portal access will be given to you for lifetime. Okay, something not we are sharing it in Drive. Okay, it's very professional e-learning portal will be there. Wherever you sit from mobile or laptop, just one click away, your course will be with your team. So this portal access will be given for lifetime, and access to private and public cloud instances for 5 months we will provide team. It means Fusion application team for practicing. For every module, we will provide the assignments for practicing that the real-time application. What exactly, once you get into the companies in the project, the client application, the same application you will get team for practicing. Here, we provide both applications team, public and private cloud. Many places you will get only public instances. They will refresh every 3 days, every 5 days team. You have to reconfigure all the things, but we have our own private instance, non-refreshable one for the entire 5 months period. The end-to-end project implementation you can do, and you can test it out in the instance team. So 3 months program, 8 to 9 morning, lifetime access to the recording, and 5 months of server access. And team, the most important part is student materials team, step-by-step manual. Once after you enrolling team, we will provide this Drive access to every one of you. In this, every module-wise folders you will have team. If you go there, customized material, because Oracle materials are tough to follow. Huge sum of data will be there team. So if I come to Core HR module team, so this is the Core HR entire 30 hours of material embedded here. Means every day whatever the class I will take, even today what I taken, that will be recorded team. See, everything with explanations, screenshots, navigations will be there. This custom student manuals. If you don't have the time to attend the session also team, you can able to walk through this material and you can get out of that concept or the subject team. For every module, student manuals will be provided team. This is for Core HR. Then if you go to absence folder, then absence management material will be there here team. See, step-by-step requirements and the materials will be available here team. And not only that team, along with the materials from the point of placement assistance team. After you enrolling today, every one of you will be added to the community team, WhatsApp community. We will be also sharing the referrals to your team. Whenever, because every month companies will be reaching out to us for trained resources team. So we will be sharing the referrals to you, and also from the point of placements team, it will start with resume preparation. I am going to personally conduct workshop sessions on resume preparation, because only training is not sufficient. Nowadays, we've been seeing people are getting very confused how to prepare their correct resume. When you are preparing the resume, that will only decide whether the interviewer will be shortlisting your profile or not, team. So we are going to conduct special workshops on the placement activities. It will start with resume preparation. Fresher means how to prepare, experienced means how to prepare. If you have the gaps, how to fill the gap, what projects to keep in, what documentation you have to keep, that we will be assisting you here, team. And for every module, real-time project assignments we will provide you. Whatever that we currently working in the projects team, that real-time assignments we will provide to you. You can hands-on work on it and you can submit back to us. We can even verify that team. And for every module team, it's not interview questions. Interview questions, you can find it in Google also. Interview questions with answers we will provide team. So if you go to interview question and answers folder here, sample resumes also you can find. We will provide team here. And then our team will help you out with editing the resumes and all. Interview questions, if you come, see team, these all are the real-time interview questions with answers team. When I say real-time, when our students attending the interviews, we will ask them to record every interview team. From that, this repository has been prepared. Question with also explanation of that answer team. For every module, the interview question and answers will be provided team. Not even that, company-wise interview questions, KPMG, what interview questions they asked to our students recently, or if it is TCS, what interview questions they asked to us students recently, or from Avalon Software, okay, or Digital Ease, or from Oracle, okay, Infosys. Like company wise also, we have the repository prepared team. So this is not a just a vague training team. We have a plan and approach in place, 3 months of roadmap we have. By attending the program without any breaks, following each and every material that I am providing to you, definitely it will help you in clearing the interviews team. There is nothing left out. As a person, to learn the technology and to get the job, whatever the resources are required, everything we've been providing as a package in this program team. So the sample resumes, interview question and answers, and every Saturday, mock interviews will be conducted in the Hyderabad office team. Even through Zoom also you can attend team. So if you go to just Google and if you type, you can find our office here team. We are based out in KPHB 9th phase beside Forum Mall team in KPHB. You can even come down to the office for the mock interview sessions as well team. So every Saturday we will conduct the mock interviews in the office premise. You have to intimate us by Wednesday or Thursday in the week so that the schedule we have to check. The panel also will be from the real-time companies team, who are my colleagues, my team members who are currently working in the companies. They will be taking up the mocks team. That will give you more reality or clear picture where we are lagging and what is market expecting team. And every time we will also share the referrals to you team in your WhatsApp community. You'll be sharing with the referrals. You have to apply from our side as well team. And if you could see some of the placement success stories team, few of our students who placed it in these companies recently team, and even you can see the screenshots of their kind of testimonials here team. People after getting their offers, they've been reaching out with a gratitude and sharing their happiness with us team. You can see some of the students here, and the Google reviews also you can able to find here team. See, the problem here is many of you will be keeping the fake experiences team, right? So we cannot able to disclose their pictures or the videos directly, but few of them, they are okay to share with their experiences. They have allowed us to share with us in this demo team. But maximum people will have that hesitation because they might have an impact with their career after that time, right? So you can even find here team. If you go to our website also, and after the program, by the way, everyone will get the course completion certificate also like this team. And then few of the people who joined recently in these companies team. You can see their testimonials also from the website here. They have given the reviews of their placement success stories and all team, right? So this is about the course offerings team. From tomorrow, the batch is starting from morning 8 to 9 a.m. So coming to the course fee and the offer we have for today team. The actual course fee will be 25,000 and we have an early bird offer team. For the students enrolling today, for day one enrollment team, we are providing the discount at the price of 22,999 and you will be getting some add-on benefits also with this. Not only that, who enrolling with early bird offer. 2 months additional private server access you will get team. The worth of 6,000 rupees you will be getting. Everywhere, as I told team, you will get only public instances. But private server, usually we will be selling per month 3,000 to 4,000 rupees team. That 2 months. So total 7 months of server access you will be getting team. And along with that, in HDL concept, real-time ready-made project templates, that what we were using in our projects team, that ready-made templates we will provide to you. And also fast formula template. Here there is one concept called fast formula, right team? Our ready-made fast formula guides are available team. Means in our real-time projects across 150 to 200 real-time requirements, what we configure to the clients, that ready-made built-in fast formula templates also you will be getting team. So people who enrolling with this early bird, to give a bit advantage to them, these add-ons will be provided to them with a price of 22,999. So I request everyone, please complete your enrollment today. From tomorrow, only enrolled participants will be receiving the new meeting link team. Whoever enrolling, you will be added to the new WhatsApp group today. In that only, the further communication from our institute will be happening. Even I will be available in that community. So people who enrolling today, you will be getting new meeting link for tomorrow's session. From tomorrow, the batch is starting team, morning 8 to 9 a.m. So whoever not yet filled the Google form, please fill the Google form team so that our team will be reaching out to you today. And in the Google form only, we have also embedded the payment link also. You can complete your enrollment registration there and please do inform us. If you don't inform us, you will be missing the track team. So in the Google form, please download the Google form in the chat. Our admin team will share it again team. We have embedded the payment link and also the PhonePe or the GPay details. But once you complete that, please reach out to us with the screenshot confirmation and email ID so that our team will create the portal access and they will share the access and you will be added into the WhatsApp group. And tomorrow's meeting link also will be shared to your team. So please fill the Google form or else you can reach out to this number also team. Now, two more concepts are left out here that I will take up in tomorrow's session team, like certification, what support we will be providing, the certification process, knowledge repository, these things we will continue in tomorrow's session team. So now let me open the forum for Q&A. So if you have any questions team, please unmute and you can please ask me.
Yeah, Kumar, good morning. I have a question over here. This is Bhaskar here. Yeah, so now under the ERP, so now HCM is one of the module, correct?
Correct.
So similar to HCM, what other modules do we have under the ERP?
We have financials, we have CRM, we have supply chain, we have procurement, PPM.
Oh, okay. So now all those are like different courses and then
different courses, different products. Anyone who start the career, they will be working in one of the technology only.
Okay. So, but you will be providing all the trainings or you'll be just providing only the
In Triotech, we provide all trainings, but this is HCM. Financials, we have different. Abhishek will be taking and Chandu will be taking the classes for that.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Thank you.
Hey Kumar, a couple of questions. The practice and demo will happen in Redwood UI or responsive?
The latest application only, whatever the 25A upgrade application is there, that only you'll be getting.
And is there any aspect of contextual and guided journey also will be covered?
Journeys we are not covering in this program. We have a separate program with ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. In that, we are covering the journeys, checklists, and all. But
Okay.
as part of materials, if you want anything, documents or blogs, anything, I will share with you. They are sufficient to explore.
Okay, perfect. And also you mentioned that you will also cover some aspect of Sandbox. So also will you be covering Visual Basic?
VBCS we cannot cover because the problem is our instances are not licensed with that.
Okay, no
So
problem.
enablement part I will cover. How to enable the Redwood and basic overview of how customization is happening. I will try to navigate to that screen.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Hi, Ramesh.
Yes, sir. Coming to technical parts, sir, which models we are going to cover? Means which all the models we are going to
All the
cover here.
technical aspects, whatever we listed out in the Excel, these all will be covered.
Okay, okay. And the in functional only 5 are we are going to cover,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Because by this only 3 months of time is really not sufficient. Maybe
So all that
maybe
BI
8 months
reports,
after.
HCM, all that, right?
Sorry.
All that inbound integration, outbound
So
integration,
that will
all
be
that.
covered. HDL, spreadsheet, BIOT, BI, these all will be covered.
Yeah.
Hi,
Next
Kumar.
one.
I have a question about the finance module that's starting in the evening or same time, because I will be
Finance,
enrolled in
Javed
that
actually
also.
started last 2 days. We had the demos. That is also morning only in Indian time zone 7 to 8. I believe you're attending from KSA,
Okay.
right?
So whom I can contact to enroll in that?
The same number you can contact this.
Thank you, sir.
So
Hi,
are you
Kumar.
connected
So
from
after
Saudi
after
Arabia,
this,
this one?
hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, after this training, are we required to take Oracle certifications mandatorily, or this training is
Not
sufficient?
mandatory. In India, if you ask me, they are not mandatory. But people from US, as many of you already aware of, in US they are more fascinated towards certification. But in India, certificates are not that mandatory, not required also. After you getting into the projects, depending upon the situational requirements, you can get that. That I will touch base it tomorrow. What is that?
Okay.
What is the relevance or importance of that?
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, Kumar. Vinay here.
Yeah, hi.
Uh, as you mentioned that we should have a types of companies that are using the Oracle Fusion. Let's say like my company is not at all using, but how could I show my company name in my profile?
The company not using means what is your company? You're having non-IT or IT experience, Vinay?
No, IT only. Let's say like I'm working for one of the company which is very Pfizer, so which doesn't have this Oracle Fusion.
What is the designation over there? For
Uh, sorry,
the
Kumar.
designation, the job
My
designation you are working currently.
I am working as a data architect, Kumar.
Oh, fine, no problem. That designation, you see, whenever you are telling that in the interview, there is a story that you are putting up there. The interviewer don't know whether your company using the Oracle projects or they're doing Oracle projects or not. Whether it is an
Okay.
IT company or not, the designation is matching or not, that verification only they will require. Because whenever the VGV goes, they won't ask you very detailedly whether when I worked in this project from this timeline to this timeline, nothing.
Okay.
That we
Okay.
will discuss. Anything
And
related to gaps or anything related to experiences manipulation, let's discuss offline because the session is recording. We will publish it in YouTube.
yeah.
I hope you understand what I'm trying to tell you.
Hi,
I
Kumar.
got it.
Good
And
morning.
it's completely project based, once the project got completed, so we need to go for any other project or
See, that is not your headache, your company. Whenever you are working, let's suppose you are working in Infosys. Your company, Infosys, get good sum of projects with them. First, they will deploy you for one project. Once that is completed, you will be mapped to another project. That your
okay.
company will allocate.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Next question.
Kumar, this is Prashant. From US standpoint, right? We already spoke earlier, by the
Yeah.
way. So we are in US, right? From US standpoint, how is the market, Kumar? Because I'm having like almost 20 years of experience, and
Yeah,
now
Prashant.
we want to shift the gears and all that stuff.
So
So not
Prashant,
only,
your Bharat friend, I believe. You are
yeah,
right?
yes.
Okay. See, Prashant, market is good. Actually, as I told you already, in US, PeopleSoft is very good actually in the HCM business area.
Yeah,
Workday came as a kind of the same owners from the PeopleSoft. They came out and when they sell the product to Oracle, they built Workday. But compared to Workday, Oracle Fusion HCM only having the market competition advantage because all the existing PeopleSoft customers, Oracle insisting them to move to Fusion. That is a place where the kind of customer adoption rapid increase happened and the vacuum of resource crunch happened then. So good sum of companies recruiting over there. Even if you see the packages also, I'm not talking about 20 years, but story is different. You might be with some high package, but I have seen recently also candidate with 6 to 7 years of experience in Deloitte. They were recruited with 140K to 150K, somewhere like that. So
Sure.
that lot of
Thank you.
demand is there in US. Absolutely no need to worry about that.
Yeah, one small help, Kumar. Like, if you don't mind, what is the here they are asking certifications mandatory for few of the.
I will tell you, we have an approach also. In tomorrow's session, I will cover. Our team will
Okay.
help you out for getting that certification. How to do that, I'll tell you.
Thank
Hi
you. Thanks a lot.
Kumar.
Hi Kumar,
Yes.
I am Giri.
Hi Kumar, I'm Rahul.
Yeah.
And is there any job openings for freshers by learning this technology now?
Yes. I sorry for that. Actually, I thought of covering this slide. I might miss it. This see, even freshers also will be having good sum of calls in this domain. See, if you ask me, let us talk more practical terms. Nothing from the point of sales or something. I'm talking it in general in a very practical way.
Yeah, okay.
Usually in the market, any technology you take, freshers will have a question mark. The recruitment will go with some lesser pace, right?
Yeah, I
Here
see.
in Oracle Fusion applications also, compared to experienced people, you might get less calls, but that doesn't mean that you don't have calls. Okay. If a fresher gets, if an experienced person in a week, if they get like 5 to 7 or 8 calls in a week, you might get 2 to 3 calls. There is a differentiation in that, but completely shutting down means no company will be doing like that. Every time companies want only experienced resources means the budgets and all lot of things will be there in mind. So companies recruiting the candidates internally conducting the trainings and they are recruiting. Even we have a company here which I mentioned in the slide, the company by name this Apps Associate, and also company by name DriveStream from Chennai. They were recruiting purely freshers, and even from Hyderabad, Avalon Software. Few of our freshers recruited there. That's why I'm telling you. Companies recruiting freshers, and again, they're also giving the in-house training for 3 months and they are keeping in projects. Now, many companies started this approach. So freshers no need to worry. There are good number of openings in the market. Even a fresher with 4.5 to 6 lakhs package placed also we have in the list. So no doubt about that. But you might have, compared to experienced people, 3-4 calls less you might get, but calls itself I won't get like other technologies like AWS or Deva. No, nothing like that. You'll be getting good sum of calls in this. Okay.
Hi Kumar.
Yeah, hi Kumar. Just one. I have two more queries. Like I want to take it offline. So
Sure, Rakesh, you can reach out to
like
us.
I already filled the Google sheet. So around what
Yeah, we'll
time can I
reach
expect
out.
the call
And
around?
team who fill the Google sheet, today you will be getting the WhatsApp messages from our business number, not from this number. Business number will be different. From Triotech logo, it will be. Please find out team for the enrollment. Our team will be reaching out. Who fill the Google form? So please fill the Google form so that from tomorrow you can be in the class. Yes, next Sanju Paul.
Yeah.
I have like
Hi
two
Kumar.
queries related to experience and things around. So I can discuss the same
Rakesh, you
thing
can
with the
discuss that
person
offline.
who can.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, we can connect with the same person, right? Who connects
No
with.
problem. Sanju, please.
Yeah, Kumar. I
Yeah,
just want to
probably.
know this training structure will be fixed, or do we have privilege to add or replace? Like I want to add, suppose OTL module.
We
So
don't
is it
have Sanju.
we?
It's a fixed thing only. Whatever the curriculum I mentioned, this 3 months, this is the program we
Mhm.
fixed.
Okay. Okay. So
Yeah.
this structure is fixed.
No,
Or
no.
apart from this,
Hello.
means this training, do we have any other means batch where I can after this training we can go for that particular module?
See, ORC we have separate training, but OTL we don't have as such. That we are planning to add on as part of e-learning from month of April.
Okay. Okay. This is what. Thank you.
Arvind, please. Yeah, thank you so much.
Hi, Kumar. So I think somebody asked this question already before, but would we be covering journeys or contextual journeys as part of this? At least the basics.
Journeys are not covered, but only thing is I can support with some sort of reference materials for that.
Okay, and the second question that I wanted to ask was if we are already enrolled, do we still have to fill out the Google Forms?
Not required. I think Arvind and your friend, one more person, Sid, I think, right?
Yeah.
No problem. You're already enrolled. You will get that
Okay.
total access today. No problem.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Thanks, Kumar.
Hello.
Next question, team.
Hello, Kumar.
Yeah, hello.
How will we get the feedback from mock interviews, online student for online?
Sorry.
Feedback for mock interviews
See,
for
basically,
online student. How?
interviews every Saturdays we will conduct, Rishikesh. Either if you are from
Yes.
Hyderabad, you can walk down to the office, or else through Zoom call we will conduct. Then and there itself, we will give
Okay.
the feedback about your preparation, that what is happening. But as I told you, by Wednesday or Thursday of the week, if you are planning for Saturday, by Wednesday or Thursday, at least you have to reach out to the support and you have to register for that, so that I can give you the available slot for that. Sometimes I personally will be part of the panel, or else some other colleagues of mine will be there. Next question, team.
Hi,
Jeevan
Kumar.
Division.
Kumar Salman here. Kumar,
Kumar,
Yes.
if I choose
can you hear
technical
me?
aspect, I need to learn HCM module also, like global HR, talent management.
Yeah. What is the question, Jeevan?
That's
The voice is breaking.
if I choose a technical aspect, technical consultant, like whatever you said, security and fast formula, OTBI, inbound,
See,
outbound.
my suggestion is now the market is more inclined towards techno-functional. That is the reason we also prepared the curriculum for techno-functional training only. Only technical, only functional, also recruitment going on. But on a large scale, if two people are applying for a job, one person is functional, one person is techno-functional, the techno-functional person will be recruited, because companies also want people to have more skill set. And even in Fusion, the scope of technicality is minimal compared to Oracle's e-business suite we have earlier. So learn techno-functional only. This program also intended towards that only.
Yeah. Hey Kumar, this is
Okay,
Perry
means
here.
techno-functional means, as you said, security and
Sorry, voice not clear. Hello?
Hi, Kumar. This is Ravi.
Ravindra? Yeah, Ravindra, please continue.
Yeah. So as part of the technical,
Yeah.
okay.
One second.
Yeah. So as part of the technical, like you mentioned, BI reports and OTBI and HCM extracts, but in the currently like the HCM extract like completely integrated with the OIC. So do we get some overview of the OIC part as well?
OIC, we have a training separately, Fusion Technical plus OIC. In that area, we are covering it, but not including in this. Here,
So
not
because
covering
it's a
that
techno-functional, so the basics of the OIC is covered or
not
not? Like
required. Not required. Every time extract is not used only for integration purpose. As a report to generate also, we will use for extracts. No?
Hey Kumar, this is Perry here.
Yes, Perry.
So as when you say like techno-functional, right? For each module that you are going to given a functional view, and you are going to connect with the technical, like from the data architecture point of view.
Usually, no, we will not cover in that perspective, because this is not a core technical architecture training. This is mainly emphasizing on functional along with technical. First, we will cover all the functional training, all the modules in that. Then we will take up the technical aspects. So in that, how to execute the BIP reports from different modules, what are the different tables we have, how to generate the reports and all. That overview will get. So in that sense, you will be able to understand the relationship from different joins, different tables, everything from different modules.
Okay, like for example, like you take the HDL loaders, right? The technical aspect, you may just walk through, how the business objects and prepare the file
Yes, how to
and
load in
plug in and load it.
OHR, in absence, in payroll. We'll take some examples and we will guide you to that.
So you'll be able to guide like one or few saying how to verify the data as well.
Yeah, that you can able to do, no problem. Yes. Okay. So
Kumar
team,
Salman here.
yes, Salman.
Hello, Kumar. Yeah,
Please, Salman.
Kumar, I have 4 years experience. 3 years in India, all 4 years in HR department. 3 years in India, which is in IT companies. But currently 1 year I'm working in Dubai, which is construction company. So how will be the Dubai market that you are thinking in HCM?
See, UAE market, not only Dubai, entire Middle East market,
Oh,
I am
yes,
telling.
UAE.
Even some more participants are there from Middle East joined today, though it is early. UAE, Saudi, Kuwait, Qatar, Oman, any of these countries you take. Entire Middle East market in the ERP front, Oracle is at the top one. After that, only Microsoft Dynamics is there, and then only Salesforce is there. So in UAE, majority of the companies, many companies like MR you take, DAP you take, many real estate companies, many technological companies, or many petrochemical companies, they're using Oracle Fusion applications as an in-house HR tools. The pay is also very high. I have experience of recently, one of the candidate joined with 3 to 4 years of HCM experience from India, somewhere around 13 to 17K UAD, I mean, that salary. So that sort of demand is there in UAE also. Across the Middle East is there. Even Saudi also good demand is there for Oracle applications. Okay, well team, I'll conclude here for today. We'll start the program from tomorrow. So I request everyone, please do complete your registration to get this early bird offer team. From tomorrow, it will be 25,000 strictly team. So please complete your enrollment and get your access created to the portal, and also get yourself added into the WhatsApp community to get the meeting link for tomorrow's session team. So thank you everyone team. Sorry for keeping you wait for a long time, as today is demo. I have to cover all the aspects, so I covered it. But from tomorrow, how our session will be strictly confined to 1 hour team. So please join sharp by 8 o'clock. We will conclude by maximum 9 or 9:10. Okay. Thank you everyone team. We'll join back tomorrow and we'll continue.